Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the Phono, guys. So, the upcoming beast from Huawei, the Huawei P50 Pro leaked render here with an amazing and something new striking design. Huawei next flagship line is the Huawei P50 series, and a new leak from All Leaks gave us a look at reportedly the first smartphone to launch with a Huawei in-house operating system that reduces its reliance on Android. Huawei gearing up to launch its next flagship smartphone, the P50 series, is expected to come and may be the first Huawei device to launch with the company in-house Harmony OS render of the Huawei P50 Pro have leaked, and while the handset body look pretty conventional, what stand out is the camera Iceland. The camera bump has a two huge circle glass lenses, but we can't see what underneath them. While smartphone camera are normally small, these twin glasses really hint at Huawei upcoming flagship camera provides. Huawei P series normally showcase powerful photography feature, while in the Mate series focus more on a business and productivity feature. We also see a glass back and a metal frame, which are fairly standard affair. The top and a bottom end the phone are the flat and through. There is a no headphone jack. We can spot an IR blaster at the top. According to the report, the display at the front is 6.6-inch panel with a slightly curved edge and a very thin bezel. As you can tell from the render, as you can see on this picture, there are a centered punch hole for the selfie camera. This is a departure from Huawei off-center punch hole dual selfie cameras. As for the rear camera, there are still no information about any of the sensor. It's speculated that each circle lens will house either one or multiple camera, and a sensor within the P50 Pro is reportedly going to have a Sony IMX801 sensor with a 50 megapixel resolution built for a smartphone. Other speculation include an integrated fingerprint scanner and a dual stereo loudspeaker. While the camera bump design look new and a distant act, the overall design is nothing groundbreaking. We expect to hear many strong opinion for and against the camera design, but cosmic appearances do not outweigh the actual camera performance. We are creationally integrated by what Huawei is going to put out. Huawei P50 is expected to do some later this month in March with 3 P50 models. So let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and let me know in the comment section, are you like this new design from Huawei? Like this video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.